what you need to make a rag doll. You're going to need some cotton balls. They're just old pieces of material. You can even use a couple of Kleenex, so you don't have to buy anything special. You just need any size square of material, anything you have, and it doesn't matter color. And then you're going to need 5 pieces of yarn or string, it doesn't matter. And then if we want to put clothes on them, we can again just use a little piece of scrap material, and you don't even have to put clothes on it. So to begin your rag doll, you're going to take your cotton ball or tissues and you're going to put it right in the middle of your piece of material. And then we're just going to grab it like that, and it almost looks like a Halloween ghost. And we're going to hold it like that. And now we're going to take our first string and just tie it around it. Now we want to make a double knot because we don't want our rag doll to lose its brains. That would not be good. And again, if you have trouble with this, get somebody, it can be a brother, sister, your parent, to hold it, and then you can tie it. It doesn't matter that there might be leftover string. We can always cut that off later. So now we have our little ghost here, and it looks like that. Okay? Now we need to put arms on our rag doll. So to put arms, we're going to do it one at a time. You just pull it out like that. I like to put my finger here and pull it back like that. And I'm just going to grab it like that. I'm going to take my second string, and just like we did before, I'm going to tie a double knot. And that's going to give us our first arm. And remember, we don't care about those strings because we can cut them off later. So there's our one arm. We're going to do the same thing on this side. So remember, I pull it out like this, I put my finger right there, pull it around, and then I'm going to grab it again. I'm going to take my third string and tie it with a double knot. We can put bows on them if we want them to look pretty or not. There we go. So now there's our rag doll, and it has 2 arms. Now, in case you want to put legs on yours, all you're going to do is I'm going to move those, get them out of the way. I'm just going to pull it apart like that. And then I can do the same exact thing I did with my arms. I pull it, and I'm going to tie it again, like this. And we'll have one leg, like that. So there's our 2 arms and our leg, and then I'm going to make our last leg. So I'm just going to hold it, put my finger there and pull, and then I'm going to grab it, and we're going to use our last piece of string and tie it to get our leg here. Okay? Then we have our rag doll. And remember, we're going to go back and cut those little strings off. Now, in case you want to put some clothes on yours, you can just take a piece of material, and all I did is I cut from my piece of material, and it looks like that. That's what it looks like when I cut it out, because I'm just going to put an apron on mine. So now I'm going to open it up, put it right under those arms like that, pull it around, and now my rag doll is all ready to go, maybe do some cooking in the kitchen. So tying that, and there is our finished rag doll.